coming up. Look at all that focus. Wow. Wow. Man, that was beautiful. Yeah, that's what we're doing. See that score? That's 0. Those are zeros. I got a ball, by the way, again. Do you want the beer? Yes, I want it. I have the bowl, so here. Hey everyone, we're getting our bowling leg, and then we're going to get a beer. Then we're going to get a beer. You weren't filming yourself, by the way. Yes, I was. It's still going. I know, but it wasn't on. Every pour. Wait, are we gonna? Are you sure you bowled before? I bowl on the week. Exactly, that stuff is fake. I think I'm gonna get a lighter ball. This one's heavy as hell. Zeros. We're pros. Why you gotta zoom in? Not a bowler. It's been a year. Yeah. Me too. I was little. We had these little things on the side. Yeah, the guard. They do have it, I think. We asked for that too. We're like in our 20s, and there's people here. Those tips on it, you need this list too. That's here. I want them. Oh my gosh, she's gonna hit it. About time. Okay. 8 is the way to go. How close can you get? I'm experimenting with the close-up. Let's see what you got. Hello, America. It's... What time is it?
What, 1 in the morning?
Like a little past 1. Probably actually a little past that. We just came back from beer and bowling. I had a lot more than she did, obviously.
Obviously.
Hey. Wait, I want to see me, not my face. There you go. And we just had some quality time.
Ew.
What did I do to you, Pet?
She attacked me. She attacked me. This is freaking whatever evidence.
What did I do?
She's...
What did I do?
She used her strength to pin me down. And then perform violence on me, and then prove the mark of that violence.
What are you talking about? What violence? What mark?
I don't like you.
What did I do?
Good night.
Show them what I did.
She was nasty.
By how? What did I do?
I need to wash this.
Damn, look at that on the camera. That comes up clear as hell. You see that hickey, ladies and gentlemen?
That's not hickey, that's biting.
That's how you do it. You bite and you suck. I did that to her. She thought I wasn't going to do it. This is my finger now. My middle finger. So you'll see how the size is. It's not that big. It's pretty much like the size of my finger now. This is not big. Close up. Yeah. Subliminal. Suck it. She thought I wasn't going to do it.
I didn't want you to do it.
I told her I was going to do it. I told her I was like, I'm going to give you a hickey.
And I said no.
She thought I was joking.
No, I didn't want you to do it.
Does she not know that washing it will do nothing? But okay.
I need to wash off.
That's what you get. She told me to stop drinking while I'm here. That's not gonna happen.
It is if I don't go nowhere.
But she is. Look at that hickey. Damn, your mom gonna be like, shit, Shayla, what happened? We gonna tell your mother.
Anyway.
Seriously, we gonna tell her.
I'm gonna tell her I was attacked.
What?